Hello, now it's time for us to show our final project. As you may know, our project was lesson found application for SDU. In previous videos we said that we have to add one more feature to end this project, so we have done this and our developers will talk about it later. I am the project manager of this team AB4. Actually, I thought that I'm not the one who can manage project and people, but PM subject gave me this chance. I think it is quite hard for a person without a leader personality to be a project manager, but I tried my best to make a team as one unit, to make them work for one purpose, to know their job and to keep up with deadlines. I hope that I have succeeded in it. Personally, from the lessons, I learned pretty much about managing projects, understand that it is not an easy job and it has a lot of processes and so on. Uh, this course would be very helpful for those of us who sees themselves as a project manager in the future. Lessons were quite easy to understand but hard to remember that kind of information flow. I have nothing to add to improve this course because that kind was very suitable for many of us. If to talk about mentor, he was the one to give us motivation and right direction, not only in our project but also in our lives. As a team, we distributed the tasks and the mentor checked the acceptance of the project by the tasks done. He told us about his experience in IT, about IT itself, and actually he gave us some inspiration, motivation, and made us understand, do we have a future in IT or not.
Hello, my name is Aljar. I'm a Scrum Master of Team AB4, and for this period of time, we have done a lot of work. Our team is the best team, I think, of all of the teams, and actually, I am tracking tasks. I solve problems if there are between members. Luckily, members of team very good and peaceful, and we don't have any problems. So course of project management is very big opening of this season, of this period, and I think it's my best project I have ever been, and I love this project. I love the teacher, and good luck everyone. I love you all.
As a front-end developer, I have integrated with designer, and together we made an effort to make user interface more user-friendly. So I kept with all the changes in design, and I added additional one more screen to end the project. This application is compatible with all the models of iPhone, and so every user can see all the screens equally without any errors. So I'm grateful to this project that gave me knowledge about project management, which will help me in future to be more punctuate and to find solutions in short time when I will work in company.
As a backend developer, I end up with setting up the Firebase for our application to store data about logged users, items lost and found. If to talk about functionality, users can register, sign in, add items if they're lost or found, see the details about items. We have also a function to add the photo of an item which wasn't in our previous versions. So we'll write code based on Swift 4 using Xcode as a platform together with installed Firebase to store data. About course project management, thanks to our teacher who give us the main parts of this course, I think in the future this knowledge help us.
To end this project, we had to add one more screen that includes details of items, so I made it as usual using Figma because it's quite easy to open for all members. During drawing the user interface of our application, I applied the principle of consistency and standards in user interface design so that everyone can easily understand and use this application. Thanks to this lesson, I've learned how to correctly work in team, how to plan my deals in the right way. In general, I've learned a lot of about project management. So, thanks to our teacher.
As a tester, I checked and tested the application against the requirements of the project, and this time I checked if database is working as expected without any disturb the time of response of the project, and all the aspect of UI is displayed in right way in all of model in all the models of fun. And also I check it. I'm pretty sure that our application is working correctly because our developers made a good job. And I applied the software testing technology such as integration testing, unit testing, acceptance testing. And in conclusion, I want to say that this subject was so interesting and useful and also funny. During the making of this project, I take more knowledge from my teacher and the mentor, and also uh, I take it was useful not only to improve my skills but also working with team because of every person has their own rules and their own works and their own time. And in future it will be better if we have advanced algorithm, and I hope that this project management subject will be useful uh, for for us for other students.